down on Dartmoor, the wild weather blowing hard on the trail. I must have reached my summit through the rain, sleet, snow, or hail. So come along with me, let's go and explore. I'm for Cheesians, hikes, camps, and outdoors. The side of the granite is coming into sight. I must reach my summit before the sun goes down tonight. So come along with me, let's go and explore. I'm for Cheesians, hikes, camps, and outdoors. So come along with me, let's go and explore. I'm for Cheesians, hikes, camps, and outdoors.
Hello YouTubers, Neil here. Today we're down on Feather Tor. Another tour I haven't capped on yet, so this is my first wild camp on this tour. I have been to this tour before, you'll see it on one of my previous videos on my day hikes with Dave Does Hiking. It's Dave's idea, he asked me if I wanted to come down tonight, and of course I'm going to come down. I was going to come down last night and wild camp down near Windy Posts, but that is quite flooded actually. Here's sodden as well, it's not much drier. I think Dave's asleep, no noise coming from there. So yeah, I'm going to whack some tea on in a minute and have something to eat. I'm quite hungry, so we'll get that done and then we'll bring you back and we'll do a bit more filming in here, I think, after watching a movie. So Dave brings me all the way out to Dartmoor, puts his tent up and falls asleep within 45 minutes. Not good, Dave, is it really? Yeah, so he's awake now though, to be fair. He's doing his bit for YouTube again. But yeah, he had a little snoozer. I thought it was all gone quiet over there. Ah well, how rude, Dave. Dave. So yeah, these clip on here, which are really good. You got two on each pole, and then you got the tie up here, and you cinch them together, so they're pretty solid. Tie that up a bit more. You got the two vents, which you can undo inside. Quality tent. And yeah, Dave got in touch, wanted to do a wild camp. He said the weather won't be that bad, but it's sodden everywhere and it's going to be pissing down all night as well, so I'll take you over to Dave's tent. Oh, there's Dave there, look. Just tell them, Dave, about the weather you promised me was going to be
well, I don't think promises were made.
It's kind of, yeah, it's not as bad as we think it's going to be.
Yeah.
But yeah, doesn't matter, a camp's a camp, mate, innit?
Dartmoor's Dartmoor.
Just making a brew. I'm gagging. It's 7:15, been here since 3 o'clock. Sorry, I'm not sure you can see there. Been here since 3 o'clock. Got the tents up just in time. Well, actually started raining while we were putting the tents up, but yeah, it's warm enough, so we didn't get too wet. So now we're both in our tents and riding this out for 16 hours or whatever it is, 12 hours more. So yeah, we'll catch up in a bit. So a little look at my biddy box. Got the old Nature Valley Crunchy. Probably had that for breakfast along with a peanut butter bar, some coffee, some hot chocolates. But this is what I'm after. Tonight's tea. Chicken tikka with rice and some proper job. Got some cup of soups in there as well. I always bring too much, never eat it all, so you can never be unprepared though. So yeah, I'm gonna whip this bad boy up and get back to you in a bit. It's like baby food, doesn't it? But I can tell you, this one is very nice. Very nice. Looking forward to this one. Lovely, smells great. And there you go. One chicken tikka with rice. Stunning. Alright, let's get tucked in. Cheers everyone. So yeah, I'm down on Feather Tor even. I'm down on Feather Tor with Dave Does Hiking. It's misty, foggy, rainy out there. We did know it was going to happen. The forecast was showing it was going to happen. However, it's windier than expected. It's not now at the minute, but the gusts every now and again picking up. And yeah, so we're in for a rain-soaked night and plenty of wind. So it'll be a good test for the Otimos Nomad x-lite V2. And I'll show you around a bit more later on. I'm just going to finish my coffee, maybe watch a movie. It's 7:05 on Saturday night in February, and yeah, just going to chill out for a bit and we'll do some more filming after. Don't know if you can see me there actually, can you? So yeah, once again I'm out in the Otimos x-lite Nomad V2. Tonight's going to be the first real test. I did have it out on New Year's Eve, but there was no wind that night. I didn't even need to guy out. It was just 15 miles an hour, something like that. But today there wasn't real no winds forecast, 6 miles an hour. But yeah, it's turned out a lot windier than that, and it's pouring down rain. You may be able to hear. But yeah, so we'll have a good test of it tonight on Dartmoor. My coffee's ready. Dinner earlier on, the chicken tikka with rice, and you know I love that one, but not tonight. Yeah, it wasn't very nice at all. I don't know if it's the way I cooked it in the old mess tin, or Maybe I just wasn't in the mood for it, but yeah, it wasn't that good tonight, so I'm gonna try and find something different, a bit better. Anyone got ideas? Good food, Wayfarer, or any others actually? Let me know in the comments. Dry my socks on the washing line. I absolutely soaked my feet today, so they're out there with my waterproofs, drying off. Yeah, cracking little tent. Bit of a mess, but and the wind's picking up, as we talked about earlier on. Just want to show you.
She had no idea that she was going to be traveling with him.
So there's the vent out there, and here you have a zip, so you can close the vent from the inside, rather than getting out and closing it. So that's one of the add-ons. The next, I'm not sure if you can see, is there's pockets around the back.
We don't think that women have a special dispensation when it comes to the death penalty. We think the law applies equally to all citizens, men and women alike.
I want them to treat her like a human being. I mean, you know, we've been hearing in there, all of us, that she is innocent until proven guilty. I want them to treat her like she's innocent until she's proven guilty. That's what I want.
In Florida, the prosecution plaintiff
bear with me, sleeping bag.
Serial killer. I watch her into a year-long string of killing. The version the jury heard today lasts only 20 minutes. It contains only references to Richard Mallory's death.
The defense could fight back with courtroom drama of their own.
Socks, waterproofs.
She's shy, she's scared with cameras, and I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, there's your little tray, so your bag and everything. Excuse the mess. So we're calling it a night now. Just been outside with Dave, had a chat, a catch up and that. Put the worlds to right. But it's got a bit chilly out there now, so we're turning in, calling it a night. We're going to watch a bit of Netflix, and yeah, I think it's Three Amigos I think I'm watching. Steve Martin, Chevy Chase, Martin Short. I've got the Trekology pillow, and I've got the snugpack super light sleeping bag. Tents. The question is tents. How many tents have you got? I've got the Otimos x-lite Nomad V2 one-man tent. For my winter hikes, keep the weight down. I've also got the OEX Bobcat one-man tent. I've got the Wild Country Compact Helm 2, which is a good little tent, 1.5 man tent, that one. I've also got the, which I don't use, is it the OEX DLX 2-man tent? I can't remember the correct name of it, but that's never been used. So yeah, that's my tent list. Don't need them all, I only needed 2, so I'm gonna probably sell the other 2, get rid of them, free up some space. But yeah, just generally, how many tents have you got? Do you own, have you got one for winter, one for summer? Let me know in the comments. Cheers.
When TV producers started calling the Marion County Sheriff's Office looking to make a deal with investigators working the case.
I would talk to one and they'd say, oh yeah, CBS told me you just signed with Lorimar.
Nothing like watching a serial killer film, is it? When you're
competitor, Jacqueline
wild camping on Dartmoor.
Challenge what they're up to. It would be very
Sleep tight, everyone.
to have three sheriffs.
Good morning, YouTubers. Neil here. So I'm just waiting for it the rain to back off, and then we're gonna get packed up and head off home. The rain was due to stop now, 8 till 9, to give us that clear chance to pack the tent, but that's not happening. So we either got to get out there and man up and pack up in the rain, or ride it out a little bit longer and then head off. So we'll see how it goes. Give it another 15 minutes or so, and then we'll make our minds up and crack on. Tor. And that's where our pitch was last night. Tell you what, in the summer that'd be a perfect pitch. Absolutely perfect. Flat spaces and that, but just like I say, sodden. Everything is sodden underfoot. This is where I was going to camp if I came down Friday, until Dave messaged about coming out Saturday, but otherwise I'd have been camped around here. So yeah, right, so that's Windy Post, or Windy Cross some people call it. There's a bit of a debate about when it was put there, 14th century or 15th century, but one thing everyone does agree on is that it was a replacement of something else, but nobody knows what it was an replacement of. Possibly some religious person removed the old object and put that one up in its place. That's the theories. So no real answers. Can't get the date correct. No one can decide when that was put there. So that's another wild camp done. So it's time to wrap this up, really. Yeah, it was a good night. Great night. In the tents early light, because it was unbelievable rain, torrential. It was quite windy for a little while, but that soon died down, and it's absolutely fine this morning, no wind at all. Yeah, great night in the old Otimos Nomad V1 V2 tent. So yeah, lovely, no leaks. A little bit of a wet floor this morning, but like I say, the ground was absolutely sodden, so not a problem really, understandable. Great camp last night on Feather Tor with Dave Does Hiking.
Thank you for coming along.
No worries, mate. Did you enjoy the camp, Dave?
Yeah, it was good. It was good. A bit wet, but yeah,
certainly
good.
was.
Yeah.
But it's nice and warm now, isn't it, mate?
Oh, boiling now. I'm overdressed walking back to the car.
Me too. We took advantage of a dry spell. It was due to be dry between 8 and 9, and it actually, the only bit that came right from the Met Office prediction was that, because it pissed down last night. So until next time, I'll see you on the moors for more tours and wild camps. Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you later.
Cheers.